Okay, so welcome everybody to the online training of the intellectual output 3 of the project ONlife. So first, what we always do in this type of project is something that we call check-in. So now, as a first tool, I would like to present, and also we will use it in a certain way that you can also use in your work, is this.
Okay.
And it's called Jamboard. You can make, as you can see here, a wall, as Irina said, for some kind of brainstorming, which is similar to Jamboard. Basically, when you roll, you get random pictures, and your task is to create a story with using these pictures. And when you upload your publication, like we did, I'm gonna use a full screen. It literally creates the looks and the feel of a magazine. This is another project that we were working on, and the point was to create methodology to be able to work with storytelling, both digital and with physical presence, using pictures. So, for example, if you need also in your lessons, if you want to show something on the screen on a projector or whatever, you can use these sets. When you go to Toolkit here, so I'm gonna send this link also in the chat, so you have it. You have a lot of exercises here, also written in the same manner, step by step. How much time do you need? How many participants? What to do? Tips for the facilitator, and so forth. And you have exercises. And for the final part of the evaluation, I would like to ask you to go to this link. Please check the chat. It's menti.com. Okay, one person is done. Second person is done. Nice.